And again, I encourage you to check out some of these sources so you get all the information. So you just don't blindly follow the false information. And this is what was false. You know, that life, water equals life, well, that was false. Over millions of years, that process can lead to living organisms. That was false, according to a NASA scientist. And then the ocean, water started in the ocean. That was false, according to a PhD in chemistry. We're only 1.6% different from chimpanzees. That was false, according to Nature and PubMed and NIH and a PhD from Clemson. And then these fraudulent drawings, or these images real close to Haeckel's fraudulent drawings, that was false. And then saying that we haven't been able to figure out why our receptors are behind other cells, that's false. And then saying that Lucy had an almost complete skeleton, that was false. And then this evolutionary tree, there's no evidence for those underneath the branches. You know, that's false according to Stephen Jay Gould, who said the extreme rarity of transitional fossils is the trade secret of paleontology. Are they teaching that in class? And then also natural selection, that's misleading. They're ignoring epigenetics, and they're ignoring continuous environmental tracking. And this one's my favorite. It is the easiest one to prove wrong. They say that the Earth's oldest rock was discovered in 2008 along the Hudson Bay. Well, NASA says that's wrong because they found it on the moon. They said in 2019. And then plate tectonics, that's questionable. That convection currents, I would say, prove it. Yeah, show how that crossover density doesn't apply to that. And also that granite was an igneous rock. Prove it. Make it. Besides, instead of just teaching it as fact. Okay, so we've gone through a lot of these errors. You know, what are you going to do with it? If you want to go to a school board meeting tomorrow at 6:30, feel free to voice your opinion. You know, we can all benefit. I'm going to put the goal up there as, hey, let's have the community and the taxpayers and the school try and get accurate textbooks. That should be a pretty easy thing to get accomplished, I would think. And I'm just stunned at the resistance of our school board.